What is a reveal zone? It's a zone that acts as a trigger to display other surfaces that are hidden. When you click on the reveal zone, it becomes hidden, and all surfaces associated with that zone are displayed, while all surfaces associated with other reveal zones remain hidden. To create a reveal zone, draw a surface. As the name suggests, zones are generally associated with regions of land or by garden in a large layout of several gardens. In the surface details, rename the surface to give it a meaningful name and set the type as Reveal Zone. Then select the surfaces you want to associate with the zone and associate them using the button in the contextual menu. Repeat the operation for each zone. But you need to know when to use a reveal zone. Reveal zones are recommended when you are creating a drawing that contains a lot of graphic elements and could slow down performance on less powerful devices. In interactive maps, zones are enabled at all times. In the drawing application, you must go to the gear wheel and select Reveal Zones Enabled. Tip: if certain surfaces cross multiple zones, for example, a large trail, you can either cut it into several sections, one per zone, or leave it unassociated with a zone. The trail will then appear on the map at all times, like all other surfaces not associated with a zone.